Bold starts here. Pure, clean, strong, bold and smooth, engineered flavor. From bean to mocha, ready anytime.
あの夏の空はどこまでも青かった。風が運んだのは君の匂いとなった場合、坂の途中であの雲の形を今も覚えている。甘くて、いつかまたこの景色を見に行くよ。
What do you think of the new ChatGPT Image 2 model? Honestly, it's amazing.
To create similar videos like you just watched, follow these 2 simple steps. Step 1. Generate storyboard. This time, we will use OpenAI GPT Image 2. First, open ChatGPT and upload the image you want to use as a reference. Next, describe exactly what you want. Be specific. Include things like duration, style, layout, and number of scenes. For example, you can say, create a clean 15-second storyboard for a coffee ad with columns for image, narration, and camera. Then, add your scene breakdown, like coffee beans, roasting, pouring, and final product shot. GPT will generate a full storyboard layout with visuals and text directions. You can tweak the prompt to match your brand style, colors, and tone. That's it. After you're satisfied with the storyboard, download it. Step 2. Generate video. For AI video generation, I only recommend 2 models, Seedance 2.0 and Kling 3.0. If you want more creative and cinematic camera movements, I recommend using Seedance 2.0. However, you will face many restrictions when generating videos with people or realistic humans, so it's best for product ads, CGI, or anime-style videos. If your storyboard contains realistic characters, you'll need Kling AI to handle it. So if you want to create an AI movie, Kling AI is still the best option. Since I need both models, I don't want to register on 2 platforms, so in this video I will use aivideo.com. You can use any platform you like, but if you want to use the same one as me, you can get a special discount using the link in this video description. From the aivideo.com dashboard, click Create New and select the text-to-video option. From the model list, choose Seedance 2.0 or Kling 3.0. Continue by uploading your reference images, including your product image and the storyboard we created in Step 1. Now write your video prompt by following the storyboard. You can include any extra details if needed. Finally, click the Generate button to start. If you want my prompt, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to visit my channel for more AI tool reviews and tutorials. See you there.